Today, we're diving into the FSP Hydro Ti PRO 850W power supply unit, a true powerhouse designed to elevate your PC build to new heights. Boasting an 80+ titanium certification, this PSU offers unparalleled efficiency, reaching over 94% at a 50% load, as certified by Cybernetics. But efficiency is just the beginning of its story. With its compact 170mm length, the Hydro Ti PRO series defies expectations by delivering high wattage and a shorter form factor, measuring just 150mm. This not only saves space in your build but also opens up new possibilities for compact case designs. The fully modular design enhances installation ease while providing a clean and organized aesthetic to your system. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to a sleek, professional-looking setup. Plus, the inclusion of a single plus 12V rail design ensures stable power delivery, guarding against overloading conditions for peace of mind during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. But what about noise? FSP has you covered there too. The eco-friendly fan is not only smarter and quieter but also designed for longevity, ensuring a quieter and more sustainable computing experience. And with a Lambda 8++ noise rating from Cybernetics, you can trust that this PSU will keep your system running smoothly without adding unnecessary noise pollution. Durability is another standout feature of the Hydro Ti PRO 850W. It's covered with an exclusive conformal coating, guaranteeing better and reliable performance even in harsh environments with up to 95% relative humidity. Add Japanese bulk capacitors into the mix, and you've got a PSU built to last. In conclusion, the FSP Hydro Ti PRO 850W is more than just a power supply unit, it's a cornerstone of any high-performance PC build. With its blend of efficiency, compact design, quiet operation, and durability, it's the ultimate power solution for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.